Hello friends, welcome to my channel Travel to Explore. Today's destination is Ooty and the places you must visit in Ooty. So before seeing, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Ooty is one of the important and interesting tourist spots of Tamil Nadu. This place has a very cool and chill climate in the summer season, so it is one of the best known hill resorts of India. Distance between Bandipur to Ooty by road is 101 kilometers. It's a nice drive inside the national park and we could actually spot a lot of animals. We stayed at Deccan Park Resort. Deccan Park is a very well-maintained greenery resort, courteous and friendly staff, food is tasty and served hot, even at room services. Situated in Fern Hills, Deccan Park Resort is the perfect place to experience Ooty and its surroundings. It is located 4 kilometers from the main bus stand. The location of the resort is also very good, as it is a little out of the city, but the sightseeing places are mostly near the resort. The top sightseeing places in Ooty are Nilgiri Mountain Railway, Ooty Lake, Emerald Lake, Ooty Botanical Gardens, Ooty Rose Garden, Avalanche Lake and many more. Each tourist attraction in Ooty promises a unique and lively experience that will leave you in awe for many days to come. However, if you are wondering what to do in Ooty and what to see in Ooty, then have a look at the video. Located 28 kilometers away from Ooty, Avalanche Lake is a must visit when on Ooty tour. Maintained by the Horticulture Department of Tamil Nadu, Botanical Gardens of Ooty is undeniably one of the most popular places to see in Ooty. The flower show conducted here as a part of Ooty Summer Festival is a major attraction for tourists. Dodabetta Peak is the highest peak in the Nilgiris. It is around 10 kilometers away from Ooty. This peak is trekkers' favorite point. The view from the top of the peak is absolutely mesmerizing. There is a telescope house at the peak with 2 telescopes presenting captivating view of the valley around. Dodabetta Tea Factory is well known for its tea plantation and museum. It is a must visit for all tea lovers. It houses the tea museum as well, while inside the factory one can learn and appreciate the method of tea processing by cut, twist and curl machines. Sip a hot cup of tea as you admire the beautiful surroundings of the place. Visitors can see the entire process of making tea. The factory is popular for its homemade chocolates too. Ooty Lake is indeed a place to visit. Tourists can be seen enjoying a refreshing ride on its serene water. Cycling by the side of lake is also worth experiencing. There are also a few shops located around the lake selling various local items. Situated on the Ooty-Mysore road, the Paikara waterfall is around 20 kilometers away from Ooty. Developed as a picnic spot, this place is ideal to come and relax while admiring the scenic beauty of waterfall and greenery around it. There is a boathouse and a restaurant near the waterfall where you can enjoy snacks while the beauty of pristine streams of water mesmerizes you. On the Ooty-Mysore route, Mudumalai National Park is another place to visit by nature lovers when on their tour to Ooty. It has also been declared as a tiger reserve. Ooty Toy Train is an integral part of every Ooty tour. That was all about Ooty. See you all in the next destination, that is Mysore, in my next video. Till then, bye. Please like and subscribe my channel.